Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a Southern favorite. It's crispy, tangy, and irresistible fried pickles. And not only fried pickles, well, the fried pickles do come from my book, and I just wanted you to know that. And the book is Love Language of the South, and you can order it anywhere that books are sold. We're going to elevate these fried pickles with 3 amazing sauces, whether you are a truffle lover, or a honey mustard lover, or if you want an animal-style taste inspired by In-N-Out, I want you to just stay tuned. Look at what you're in for. Oh my gosh, delicious, delicious, delicious. Let's get started.
Here's what you're going to need. Vegetable oil for frying, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, kosher salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, buttermilk, eggs, hot sauce, and of course our star ingredient, dill pickles. First things first, let's get our oil heating up. You want about 2 inches of oil in your Dutch oven, and we're aiming for a temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the perfect heat for getting that golden, crispy crust. While the oil heats up, I'm going to mix the dry ingredients. In a shallow bowl, combine 1.5 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne for that extra kick. In another bowl, let's mix together the wet batter. I've got 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 eggs, and 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. That's it. Now we're ready to dredge. Start by coating the pickle slices in the flour mixture, shaking off any excess. Then dip them into the buttermilk mixture and back into the flour for the final coat. This double dredge technique ensures that we're going to get a crispy crust we are all looking for in a fried pickle.
Oh my gosh, I remember the first time I had these fried pickles. It was right before an Alabama-Auburn game. That is like the craziest time of the year for us Alabamians. It's a wonderful thing. They were so crispy, so delicious. I will never forget it. They were almost as good as the game was.
Once your oil is about 375 degrees, carefully place a few pickle slices into the hot oil. Now, I test to see if the oil is ready by just putting a little flour in there, and if it fries up really fast, I know that it's probably fine. I'm going to fry these for about 1 to 1.5 minutes or until they're golden and crispy. But do not overcrowd the pot. Fry in batches to keep the oil temperature consistent. Once they're golden, they're done. Transfer them to a cooling rack. Give them a little taste once you can handle it. If it needs extra seasoning, that's the time to season it. And there you have it, perfectly crispy, tangy fried pickles.
Finally, time to dive into these dipping sauces. First up is the Truffle Aioli. Let's get started.
In a medium bowl, add 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of minced black truffles, 1.5 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 finely grated garlic clove. Add a little bit of salt and ground pepper. Whisk it all together until it is smooth and creamy. If you want a little looser sauce, you can add a little bit more lemon juice. And if you can't find truffles near you, you can order them online. Store this decadent sauce in the refrigerator and it'll stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. But let's be honest, you're probably not going to have to store it. You're going to love this sauce. Next up, a honey mustard dipping sauce inspired by Chick-Fil-A. This is so easy and it is great with just about everything in your kitchen. In a small bowl, combine a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of prepared yellow mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Whisk it all together until it's smooth and creamy. The sweetness from the honey perfectly balances the tang from the mustard and the vinegar. And when I add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste, my gosh, this is the best sauce. Last but not least, I'm making one of my new favorites. It's the famous In-N-Out animal-style sauce. I love this sauce. Let me tell you just how easy this is to make. In a small bowl, mix together 1.5 cups of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of pickle relish, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. That is it. Can you believe that? Give it a good stir until everything is well combined. Add a dash of lemon juice, a pinch of salt and pepper, and you've got that irresistible, tangy, sweet sauce. One quick tip on this animal-style sauce: let it chill in the refrigerator overnight, and the flavors really, really come together. Trust me, it is worth the wait.
And there you have it. 3 sauces to take your fried pickles to the next level. I'm going to give one a try. I think I'm going to go for the truffle. I'm feeling a little bit fancy. Yeah, perfect. Absolutely perfect. I can't wait to try all of these when I'm off camera by myself. You have got to give these a try. I'm telling you, whether you're a honey mustard lover, you animal style, or the truffle aioli, you're going to need to try these fried pickles. Thanks for joining me today. If you love this recipe, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and please subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you here, and I would love to know in the comments, what's your favorite dipping sauce? Please let me know. And until next time, happy cooking and happy dipping.